everybody and welcome to a new video. Today I will present you 12 commands for productivity in AutoCAD. If you are a beginner or an advanced, you can check the other playlist that I have, link in description. So let's get started. The first command, it will be overkill. Let's say I have a little drawing here. So I will select one line, okay, I will deactivate the ortho, go here, here and here, and I have a polynomial, you see. Okay, I will go over it with some other lines too. I will override some lines. And if I click here, I have a bunch of lines. You see? Go undo. And if I will go with the command overkill, select the whole drawing, enter, and make sure that all these things are checked and press OK. And now I have just one line for each side. You see? The next command is the group command. Let me show you. Let's say I have a bunch of drawings here, a rectangle, a circle, another lines, why not? And these ones are a group for me. I will type group, select everything, press enter. And you see, if I want to move it or to copy it or to unleash it, I have everything I need here because there is a group. Okay, the next command is the sketch command. And let's say I want to highlight something. I want to show, okay, look, this one is the most important for me or something like this. So I'll go with sketch and I start to draw. Don't click nothing. Let's say this part is very important to me. Press click and enter. And I have all this SketchUp to highlight these objects. Another command is Superhatch. Let's say I have a big circle right here, let's assume, and I want to put some pictures in it. I'll go with Superhatch. I will go with image. As you see, I can select block, wipe out objects and so on, but I will select image. I'll go with the image. I will select my logo, for example. I will go OK. Select how big you want to be the image. Pay attention. Let's say I want like this actually. Okay, is the play? Yes, it is. And select again, specify internal point and press enter. And as you see, I have for this entire circle, I put my logo in every corner. The next command is Torus. I will show you now what's happened. So let's say I have a line of 50 units. Let's activate the ortho command. So I have a line of 50 units. It's that small, doesn't matter. Okay, and I need to build a circle, but in the same time I will activate Torus. This one, it will be the radius. Okay, so 50. And in the same time I need to offset, so to make two parallel circles, let's say at the distance of 30. So I will go like this and I will type on the same line, you see, and I will type 30, and automatically I will have three circles. The original one, which is on a distance of 50, and in Slack basically an offset for circles. Here with a distance of 30 and here 30 also. So this is the Torus command. If you want to have access quickly to all that object snaps and so on, you can type ds, or you can type d settings. Is basically the same thing. If you want to go very quick to object snap, make sure that all of these are selected or clear everything, or 3D object snap and so on. It's more quickly. Another command is the divide command. Let's say I have a line of, I don't know, 200 units. It's right here, and I want to divide this thing in 20 points. Let's say I want to make, I don't know, lines straight here for 20 times. I will type divide or div, as you saw, select this line. Okay, and now enter the number of segments. I will type 20. And now if I will move this thing, press enter and just move it. you see here I have 20 points, exactly 20 points. So now if I want to build, I don't know, here a line, here to be the center of a circle, I have everything I need here. Another command, it's text to mtext. Let's say I will write now a text. I will use the text command. I will specify the point, let's say 15, the height, and the angle it will be 0. And I will type AutoCAD 2021, the AutoCAD that I used. Okay, and I will copy it. I will go with the copy command. I will make a copy. And I want to combine those two things. I will write text. You see the first command. Select the whole and press enter. And now I have just one text, not two texts. Another command is quick dimension, or I will type quick dimension here. Let's assume that I have a bunch of lines. Here, it doesn't matter too much. I just want to show you very clear. And why not a circle? To be even more clear. And now I will go with the command quick dimension. Select everything to be even more quicker. And go up or down or wherever you want. And automatically it will be generated all the distances. For example, here to here it's 1246, or even more from here right to the center of the circle, it's 1139. You get now the idea. Another command very useful is lengthen, and I will show you how. For example, I have those lines, why not? And I will type lengthen. And here I must write delta, and automatically I will extend all these lines that I want with a number. For example, 50. Select here, or here, on both sides. I can also make it even longer. You see, I will extend at the maximum. At the circle I cannot, but you see, go in the part that you want. For example, if I'll go in the right, it will be extended in the right side, in the left side as well, so it doesn't matter. Another very useful command is hide object. For example, I have a very complicated drawing and I want to hide some details because I want to make my drawing easier. So I will type hide object. Select this circle, this line, and press enter. And our hide, you see, I cannot see them anymore. And to deactivate, I will type unhide. And it appears again. And the last command for today, it's ml. Let's say I want to build parallel lines with all of these lines, but I don't want to say every time offset. Okay, I will write ml. From mline, I will type here scale, and I will press for 30. Select here, right here, you see, and automatically I will build a parallel line continuously. See what's happened? This is the beauty of this command. I hope this video helped you. If you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you at the next video.